Alright, so I just got gas. It's 5:26 a.m. and I'm about to drive 2 hours south to catch the sunrise. Yeah. It's so windy out here. I don't even know if you can hear me. You probably can a little bit. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me at all in those clips, but it was crazy windy. I'm gonna guess like 20 to 25 miles per hour, maybe more wind speed. I just saw the light on the mountain, so I wanted to stop. It was like a red light, red suns. It was kind of like a golden hour sunrise light on the mountain, so I wanted to stop before that went away. And now it's the sun's coming over this mountain over here. But yeah, that was a good way to test this jacket out. Like, they advertise it to be windproof, and it is 100% windproof. This ProViz jacket. I got the one with the fleece because I feel like that would be better for Alaska since it's cold here. Okay, now I'm heading to my main location I wanted to go to. And I actually remembered on the way here that this spot that I want to take a picture at, it's near a glacier. So I think I might do that hike. And there's an ice cave. I don't know if I ever showed that on my YouTube channel, but I put it on my Instagram. I think I'm gonna go there again after I take the picture with the 2 trees. I'll put that picture somewhere in this video. I think I'm 20 minutes away from there, so we're gonna head there now. This light is getting really good right now. And I brought my drone, so I'm gonna get some, I'll have some footage in this vlog. Or whatever this video is. But yeah, my hair was being annoying. Flying around everywhere. I should have recorded myself. And when I stop the next time, I'll record myself in the wind with my hair. But, okay. Maybe I should have blocked the sun the whole time, but gotta have that JJ flare, you know? I'm recording this in the car because I think it's too windy out to hear me. But I was driving by and I saw this house. It looks like some kind of hotel or something. But, and then I saw the mountain behind it lining up perfectly with the top of the house. And yeah, I had to stop and take a picture of that. And actually, I'm trying to kill some time because the mountain peak that I want to have in a photo is covered by clouds and fog. So I want to wait for that to go away. If you can see it through there. If we can focus. Not on the windshield. Let me put a manual focus. Pretty sure it's that one right there. If you can even see it. I might have to make it darker. Let me see. Okay, you can kind of see if I turn the exposure down a lot. Okay, so I made it to the spot. Let's show you this path. this path leads to the shot where the trees are framing up the mountain. But right now I can see the peak and there's clouds over it, so I might have to wait a little bit, or I might even go do the hike and then come back. So we'll see. But yeah, I have the new MOVO VXR10 Pro. Testing that out right now, so hopefully the wind isn't too crazy. It kind of calmed down, but I had to bring out the gloves. It's pretty chilly, and I might actually put my hood on because it's starting to get to my ears. But yeah, I'm gonna go see what we have with the shot right now. I can barely see the peak, so we're gonna look at that and then probably go to the glacier. It's called Kastner Glacier. I went there before with my sisters actually. This switch spot is actually holding up pretty nice to this wind. I was kind of frightened about that, but there's a picnic table out here and I just have the camera set up on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go down this path and then show you the lookout point. All right. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that this is the spot here. That's one of the trees there. I'm looking at my phone viewfinder because I don't have a screen to look at on the back of the camera, so yeah. Okay, let's see. My hair is annoying. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is the shot here behind me. Like there. If it'll leave my head, right there. In between those trees, the twigs on the left and then the green one on the right. But there's too many clouds to tell right now. But I think I'm gonna come back later when hopefully it cleans up. But we can only wait. But yeah, we can admire this view. There's a creek. Is that a creek or a river? Let's see. Gotta put my phone away. Alright, so this is one of my scarier drone flights. I wanted to go up there, but the wind was pulling it to the right, and it wouldn't. It was really hard to get it back this way, so I didn't want to do that. And now the battery's low, so I need to land it, but I think I got some good footage. I probably put it before this clip. Just look at this wind. I'm not even doing anything. That's just trying to control in the wind. Let me try to get it closer to the car. Without hitting me. I want to put the filter on to get that blur, you know. Alright, so I got the filter on now. The battery is at 11% on the drones, so I'm going to try to do this quick. I just want to get a shot of it in front of the mountain with blurry background. I know, something like that. Some cinematic, you know. Okay, now let me get it closer. Okay, I think that's enough. You can land now, buddy. Uh-oh. Okay, I couldn't see under the window. There was some twigs or something. Okay, my mom actually gave me this before I left, just in case. There's no one else here parked, so I'm going to the glacier alone. That's pretty cool. It's not focusing out the window. Cool. Come on. Okay, let's hope I don't need to use this, but we're bringing it just in case. Okay, so I turned around. Alright, so I realized 3/4 of the way there that I was gonna turn around. I don't even know if you can hear me. There's a little path there, and it was overgrown, so yeah, I was using the path. I was ducking under everything. I probably scratched the jacket up. It's fine, it's just a jacket, but I realized when I got out of the woods, I had to cross the water, and the only way to cross was by these two rocks in the water, and I had to hold a tree. I had to hold a tree, stabilize my body on a tree to get across the water. Luckily I didn't fall in the water, and we were fine, but that wasn't fun. I had my camera on my side, slung over my shoulder, so that was kind of scary. But my shoes, I'm actually testing out these new shoes. They're by Hoka One One. They're called the Tor Ultra High 2 waterproof. And yeah, my feet aren't wet at all. That's cool. And the cushioning is really good. Like, I don't feel a lot of the rocks. It's just like, there's like maybe 1.5 inches of cushion between my foot and the ground. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm heading back to the car now. I'm gonna get some more drone shots. I'll probably come back here in the winter. It was kind of underwhelming, the glacier last time, the ice cave, because it wasn't frozen all the way on the bottom. So when I come back in the winter, I'll make another part to this series of this glacier trip. But I had a fun day. I am tripping, but I had a fun time. Either way, it was raining the entire time up here, And the last time we came here it was raining too, so I'm guessing it just rains all the time here. But yeah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to cross the water again. Hopefully I can find, I see a big rock I can cross. So hopefully that'll be simple and I don't fall in. I will update you when I get to the car. Okay, I'm trying to figure out where I'm crossing. I think this looks like a good spot. Those two rocks. So, do I want to record this? What if I go put the camera on that rock and then do it again and then show you? Is that dumb? That's something Casey would do. And I love Casey's videos, so would I do that? It would get wet from the water coming up. I'm gonna try to get an angle where it shows both of my feet. This could go horribly wrong and I'll catch it on film, but that'll be, it's for the content, dude, you know? I think my mic is too loud, or I'm talking too loud. Okay, I just did a whole clip, a whole 2-minute clip. I wasn't recording, so that's fun. Okay, what was I saying? I'm back in the car now, as you can see. I think I'm gonna head back to that one spot I was before this and fly the drone there. Last time I was there, I didn't have a drone, so now I have a drone, so I'm gonna fly it there. So that's what's happening. I'm gonna hop in the car now and head home. I got some snacks in the car, some protein bars and such, and some Gatorade. I haven't had Gatorade in a while. Alright guys, I'm almost home now, so that's gonna wrap up this video. Let me know if you guys like this style of video. I'm actually going on a trip this coming Monday, the 21st, so expect more of this content soon. But yeah, I had fun. I'm pretty tired. I think I've been up for over 24 hours. I'm not sure when I woke up yesterday, but I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna pass. I want to get home. I want to take a shower because I'm pretty stinky. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya. Peace.